We are the distributors for Cromnan Greaves alternators. Here we have displayed alternators for a agricultural application which can be used with a tractor to save the crops, to benefit the farmers, because they know there is a serious problem on the electricity, there is a problem on the water. With the alternator, farmer can generate power and run his pump sets without any problems. See, he doesn't have to depend on rains, he doesn't have to depend on electricity board. He can use the pumps whenever he wants by using this alternator and connecting it to his tractor with a PTO shaft. In fact, this is what is displayed here. We have displayed the attachment which is required for connecting the alternator to the any tractor. So this, we have been marketing this particular product for the last 5 years in the AP market, and it has been received very well in the market. In fact, last year we have sold about 2,350 alternators only for the tractor application, and these are primarily used for running the pump sets in case of a failure from the electricity board, or if there is a deficit rainfall, this alternator is being used. See, we have for tractor applications, we have from 10 kVA to 50 kVA, depending on the size of the tractor, depending on the make of the tractor, we suggest a suitable alternator to run the pump sets which are there in their field. See, for example, now in Telangana region, we have 5 HP, 7.5 HP. In Rayalaseema, we have 10 HP and 15 HP. So depending on the region, depending on the requirement of the pump set to be run and the tractor availability and the tractor horsepower, we decide on the alternator rating and suggest a suitable attachment so that the farmer can generate his own power to run the pump sets. So this will save the crops and he doesn't have to depend on the rainfall or electricity board. We have dealers in almost all the districts of Andhra Pradesh. In addition to that, we also have mechanics, that is tractor mechanics, who take our alternators and give it to a farmer with an attachment so that he can connect to a PTO of the tractor and run the sets.